Well, hello everybody and welcome back. We're at our favorite place because we got a Snuggle glitch that I told you about, and we got to go get us some and check out what else is going on, because you know we're always looking for those deals. So come on in the store with me. Well, hello everybody and welcome back to Crazee Country Couponer, and we're in the store again, and we are looking for deals for you, and you know you want to know. So come on with me and we'll see how many deals we can find. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, come on with us too. We like crazy friends, and the more the better. To that end, look below and hit that subscription button and the notification bell. And that way you will not miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information that we get at Dollar General. Yep, and we do it every day. So everybody, thank you for stopping back by. Please don't forget to leave a comment and or emoji. It's super important these days. Now, like I said, we are back in our favorite place, and look what I found. We have got a 25% off sale when you spend $75 on toys in a single transaction. And it doesn't specify. So any toys, spend $75, save 25%. Use your 5 off 25 that you've got, good until tomorrow, or use it on Saturday for even more savings, guys. So at 25% off, let's see, with a 5 off 25, it could be as much as $12 savings. No, excuse me, $22 savings, because this is $18 right here in savings right here, $18. And 5 to that would be $23 in savings. So there, can't beat that, guys. So it'd be $75 for the toys for about $50. Okay, guys, we're going to do the Snuggle glitch. We do have a glitch. We've got a sale, or an offer to Snuggle products for $5. We've got a coupon that says save $3.49, and it's glitching, okay? Making these $1 and change. Super duper cheap. Okay, next up, let's talk about this deal real quick. Okay, if you're one person, or you're traveling, or you're in a super small space, you don't need all this extra laundry stuff, and you don't need a whole lot. So, let's talk about this deal. We've got a coupon where you buy this $6 Tide, and you get this $2.25 bounce for free. So, yeah. You would be paying $6 for 2 items. Winner, chicken dinner. But more importantly, look at this. You would have $6 in this, and $1 and I think it's like 55 cents, something like that. $1.55 in this, so $7.55 you would have in 1, 2, 3, 4 of these items. Now that's a winner chicken dinner kind of deal. We got a sale. It says a 3-day sale. It doesn't say anything about a coupon, and we got a coupon. And oh, we're going to go try this and see what happens. Because if it's a 3-day sale, and it is buy one, get one free, and then my coupon comes off. Oh yes, let's go give this a try and see what happens. Look at my total, guys. It is glitching. Okay, newer operating system store, guys, at the self-checkout. $1.10 total, that's with taxes. So, it was $1 for 2. Winner, chicken dinner, $1 for 2. Next, that's 2 Snuggle, by the way. And the reason why I got the dryer sheets, for one, they didn't have the Snuggle you can get the urn on. The other is, this is a better value for $4.50 compared to the $3.95. So you're saving more money. Better value. Alright? It's been a long time since we got any free Snuggle. I am just so stoked over this free Snuggle. Next up, well, I found another glitch, guys. Yes, and that's why I'm really stoked. It's been a little while since I found it first. So, let me show you. Do you remember the little sign I showed you when we were getting the Tide? And I said, let's see what that happens with that. Well, I had to go to the front of the store to get everything to scan. And it is a sale. It's an offer. And we have a coupon for the same offer. So look what happens. It deducts the offer twice. So you're out of pocket for the Tide detergent and the Bounce is $3.75. Now it's $4.75 because I got the iced tea with that, okay? I decided against the Rockstar deal because I was going to give it to the cashier, but she doesn't like them. So I figured I'd just spend the $1 and get me a tea versus the $2. So look at that. Yep, $3.75 for 2 laundry detergent items. And that is a definite winner. So you're going to get a $6 Tide detergent, a 34 count Bounce dryer sheets, and 2 of your Snuggle products. Either the dryer sheets or the softener. Depends on what you want to do. You might want to get 1 softener, 1 dryer sheet. And then you have a whole laundry array, but you're going to get it for $4.75. Yeah, $4.75. I can't dance in the car, guys. I'm just super tickled. So go get you some. Once this comes out, there's not going to be any Bounce left on the shelf. So go and get this Tide deal while you can. Blessings. And, well, I'll see you soon. Don't forget to show me that love and give me all that good stuff.